Wherever there is materials handling, crushing, screening, loading and hauling, rehabilitation, remote equipment as well as air separation, you will find SPH. If there's one name that has stood the test of time in the mining services environment, it's the expert in mining solutions since 1969, SPH Kundalila. Loading, hauling and materials handling. One of SPH's core activities involves loading, hauling and materials handling. This also forms the supporting backbone to many of our mobile crushing and screening operations. Our fleet includes front-end loaders, articulated dump trucks, dozers, graders, water trucks, excavators, hammers, mobile screens, crushers and a variety of trucks from rigids to interlinks. We transport high-grade materials from open-cast pits or stockpiles of underground shafts to their respective processing plants. An excess of about 1 million tons of raw material is worked per month. We prioritize and assure the safety of our clients' reefs by fitting tracking devices to the majority of our vehicles so that they can be constantly monitored from a centralized control room. At Goldfields, South Africa's West Driefontein mine in Carletonville, we have specifically modified a Caterpillar 980H wheel loader with a Control Master tele-remote unit. This remote loader is able to retrieve valuable stock from a dangerous site that is not humanly accessible due to sinkhole risk. This is believed to be the first remote-controlled Caterpillar wheel loader to ever be deployed in an on-surface application in Africa. SPH's capacity to be innovative has been pivotal in the quest to meet our clients' needs. SPH will go to great lengths to streamline hauling activities by developing infrastructure and building new roads to create easy access. There are few limits to what we're able to achieve when it comes to retrieving unutilized materials. We have been able to access some of the most challenging areas by being innovative, such as the Koppies of the Tapazimbi Mountain, where we transported 17,000 tons of iron ore run-of-mine down a 17-degree slope for a continuous 2 kilometers without incident. SPH, with the involvement of Bell equipment engineers, altered the settings on the transmission to use the engine to limit the dumper's speed so the brakes would not overheat. At Saldanha Bay, we move materials from the port of Saldanha to areas where they can be loaded onto ships for exporting purposes. SPH owns endless kilometers of conveyor systems that are used to feed various processing plants. The conveyor infrastructure managed and maintained by SPH completes the process to full circle, from crushing and screening to loading, hauling and materials handling, ensuring the continued supply of materials to plants. Critical to our success is an immaculately maintained fleet, supported by expert and experienced staff including engineers, diesel mechanics and auto electricians, to name but a few. Fleet units are replaced with new units once they reach an hour life, rendering them as inefficient. Our workshops are present on every site operation and are extensively equipped to allow for rapid response repairs of anything from minor breakages to major overhauls. We continue to form long-term partnerships with our clients through being cost-efficient, safety-savvy and reliable. Having been in this business for the last 44 years, SPH has come to realize that it doesn't matter what you do, what really matters is how you do it. Looking back, we see a company that has never stopped growing, developing and expanding. And looking to the future, we foresee a company that will continue to grow, develop and expand through innovation, endurance and integrity from the inside to the outside. SPH Kundalila, expert mining solutions since 1969.